Scientists have shown that feral cats are hunting surviving animals across recently burned lands in Australia. They say that roaming cats might stay away for up to 50 days, massacring helpless locals on a now barren landscape. They're likely using a combination of sight and smell to pinpoint bushfires by their smoke. In a study, researchers attached collar cameras to 13 feral cats and recorded 101 hunting events in an Australian savanna, of which 32 were successful. The kill rate was equivalent to 7.2 victims per cat every 24 hours, and the hunters didn't even eat their kills a quarter of the time. They're what are known as surplus killers. Another study found that feral cats are highly attracted to areas that burned recently, and tend to avoid ones that are burned 3 months before or older. Perhaps because vegetation has begun to grow back by that time. Or, they've simply obliterated the prey species there. Conservation biologist Sarah Legg, who studies the impacts of feral cats after bushfires, says that the severity of this year's fires is unparalleled, in terms of the potential for recovery. That's something that worries us a lot. Feral cats are not the only opportunists to seek out wildfire-blighted places. Hawks and other natural predators also seize the chance to simplify their hunt. Some particularly clever birds of prey, known as fire hawks, even start fires by picking up and dropping burning sticks, thus flushing out their victims. In the near term, conservation biologists are scrambling to save animals that are now caught out in the open, with no food or water, by deploying feeding stations. Australia has even begun airdropping vegetables, for example, carrots for wallabies. One wildlife rescue group is distributing sweet potatoes for locals to feed suffering animals. On the other hand, they are also trying to control feral cats and foxes. Therefore, in the last few years, they have killed around 2 million feral cats, and most probably they will continue to do so. Besides predators, Australia is known for animal culling. They have been culling feral camels, horses and even kangaroos, in an attempt to do unnatural selection. Recently, they have killed thousands of feral camels. You can watch the videos about recent camel cull, and fire hawks on List Slider, link is given in the description. What are your thoughts about it? Leave a comment below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, if you haven't already. Also click the bell icon and select All option, so that you won't miss any update.